Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming access. Make sure you know the current password and have two-step verification available. Once signed in, navigate directly to Google account settings to avoid distractions. Go to Personal Info, then Contact Info, and choose Email. This is the first actionable step because Google limits changes based on account type. Verifying identity early prevents interruptions. Make sure any recovery phone or alternate email is accurate before proceeding to change addresses. Now add the new address under Contact Info and send the verification link. Google uses that step to confirm you control the destination. Once the verification email arrives, click the link and return to account settings. Make sure the new address appears as verified. If your account uses a Gmail address as the primary sign-in, Google often prevents changing it, especially for Workspace or older accounts. In that case, you'll need admin help or a different approach. Sign out and back in to refresh sessions and confirm the change. Complete the process by updating the new email across your phone, desktop apps, and third-party services that use Google Sign-in so tokens don't fail. Then run Google's security checkup to remove stale sessions and app passwords and confirm recovery options are current. If you cannot change the primary Gmail address or an admin blocks it, the key troubleshooting step is to either ask the domain admin to allow changes or export data using Google Takeout and migrate to a new account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.